This is a KOIN 6 News breaking news alert.
And this is big news, breaking news tonight. Within the hour, a federal judge has permanently blocked National Guard deployments to Portland for the ICE protests, saying President Trump overstepped his authority by federalizing Oregon's National Guard. It is 6 o'clock. I'm Jeff Giannolo.
And I'm Elizabeth Din. So this does mean that those troops are not being deployed to Portland. The court finding that there was no rebellion, no legal basis to deploy troops, calling that move a violation of the 10th Amendment, which limits federal authority. Let's get to Joelle Jones live in our KOIN 6 newsroom with what else this means. Joelle?
Yes, just moments ago, as you mentioned, that federal judge finding the president went too far and the federalization of Oregon's National Guard was unlawful. This is a big win for Oregon as it keeps Oregon's National Guards in state's hands, meaning that it will block that deployment at least for now. Now, ahead of this ruling, we saw a small gathering outside of Portland's ICE facility. They were making their voices heard.
The U.S. is invading the U.S.? I mean, only a clown could come up with something so silly.
Today, just 5 people outside the ICE detention center, a contrast to the large protest that prompted federal action in September. That's when the president invoked Title 10, taking control of state guard troops, arguing Portland's protests amounted to a rebellion. Oregon, though, disagreed, calling the move a violation of state sovereignty and saying local law enforcement had the situation under control.
He's saying we're burning down. I mean, look around. It's a beautiful day in Portland right in front of ICE facility, and everything's fine. People are driving by, going to work. There's no need for troops here.
Now, Judge Karen Immergut, a Trump appointee, previously issued 2 temporary restraining orders and a preliminary injunction blocking any deployment until today. That's when she ruled to extend that injunction permanently. Professor of Law Tung Yin told me he anticipated this based on her former order.
It seems like she really believes much more of what the Portland Police Bureau officers had to say and other local officials than she believed what ICE agents and others were saying.
Now, in a statement from Oregon Attorney General Dan Rayfield, he says, from the beginning, this case has been about making sure that facts, not political whims, guide how the law is applied. Today's decision protects that principle. Now, again, this ruling blocks federal control over Oregon's National Guard, but she did issue a 14-day temporary hold. That means this ruling does not go into effect immediately. It gives the White House 2 weeks to appeal this decision to the Ninth Circuit Court. So this legal battle, again, far from over, but we will continue to track this. I know we have another team that will dig deeper into what this all means coming up at 10 and 11. For now, live from the newsroom, I'm Joelle Jones, KOIN 6 News.
Joelle, thank you. And in